Okay, so I'm currently eating supper, and I made my girlfriend's, well, she brought me back some real saffron from Iran. So this is saffron rice, made with authentic saffron. And I made carrots and green beans and celery with chicken strips. So that's kind of good. And the saffron rice is delicious. That is so good. I followed one recipe. I think I'll try something different next time. So they're talking about taking home testing kits. Every student in the province is going to take home testing kits when they get out on Friday. And so people are saying, so does that mean, going back to online schooling when in January? Yes, no, maybe. Because the numbers are, this Omicron is seems highly contagious, and there are already lots around, so lots of cases. Thanks, Councillor Galloway, for telling us you're a he/him. It's a case of, why is that important? He's a person. The counselor is a person. We don't need to know. It's nice to be able to say he, but no. Why not just use counselor? I'm going to try and get my shot tomorrow. I don't know if I will. And my shot was on July 1st, so that's not 6 months. I'll ask. I will ask. It's not as like it's a big deal. I'll just walk to the end of the street. Say I got my last shot on July 1st. Should I come or not? I'm not sure what the actual policy is. Anyway. I'm going to text my sister, see how she's doing. 15th, 3 days away. I'm going to text Stephanie. See how she's doing. And I'm not getting together with anybody outside of my family. No, I'm not going to go visit Stephanie. I was going to, but no. Now, I know I don't have it. Well, no, I don't. If I'm asymptomatic, who knows? And I just, hung out with someone who recently returned from a far distant location. So I may be spreading the virus. Without knowing them. Asymptomatic, that's just ridiculous. What do you do if you're asymptomatic? I made that a little too salty because it's really, really good. I haven't tried any of the other spices that she gave me. She gave me 3 meat spices and the saffron. I'll have to smell the other ones and see where I use them. So it's nice, masked thinner finishes. Season finale. And maybe I'll watch, well, I've been watching Hawkeye. I'm looking forward to the next Harry Potter coming in April. Why couldn't they do it over Christmas? Like I always did before. Then me and my family could have had fun over Christmas, like we did every year. It was either Harry Potter or, oh, my nose was running. Harry Potter or Lord of the Rings. For years. Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, or Star Wars. That does it. Mush everything together like you did when you were a kid. Mmm, that is so good. Mm-hmm. Anyway, there we go, eating again.